up. Hey up, hey up, hey 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 up.
What? Can you see this dude? Can you believe this? It's beautiful. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. Let's jump into it, guys, because I'm so excited. So, welcome back. Thank you for joining us again. And what I wanted to do is take this time to show you this guy. This is my Bronco. It's a 2022 Bronco Badlands Sasquatch with a 2.7 and 4.71 gears. His name is Brock Landers, and he's just been remade for rendition like 7.0. And that was with the help of Chase Gentry and John from Advanced Fiberglass. And this is what we did. What we did was the 5x1. So that's a 5-inch extension and a 1-inch lift on the fenders. We also did the Ram Air active hood. It does pass air all the way through and into the engine bay, helping with the heating and what we call heat soak based off of turbos and turbo motors, supercharged motors. And I couldn't be more happy. The person that did the paint is a dear friend of mine. His name's Kenny Segura, and I think he nailed it. The paint is flawless, guys. So I kind of want to give you guys a different angle and view, you know, while we're talking about it, because I think it helps better accent or accentuate how much the fenders look different than a stock vehicle. Because remember, we're just shortly away from getting the full kit from Brenthal Industries, which will be long travel, which will make the vehicle suspension-wise and actual track width-wise 6 inches wider in total. So 3 inches on each tire will be extended outward to make a total of 6 inches front and back. And so this is what had to happen. And it had to happen to basically give enough coverage for those tires when we're in that situation that, you know, they still stick out, but it'll help mitigate some of the stuff that goes all over the vehicle, including the door handles. And that's one thing that drives me bananas. And the cool thing about it now is, guess what? Because there's a 5-inch extension right here, no longer are you gonna have to reach up there and grab muddy handles to get in the damn truck. So I'm super excited about that. So let's look around. So from this angle, you can see everything kind of going on. And you can see the 5-inch front fenders, and of course how it ties into the front fascia and then down, and in the rear that go up and over and tie in. The neat thing about it is the hood, like I said, is fully functional. And if I had more than 2 hands, what I would do is I would open it and show you how that takes air and dumps it directly on top of the intake on the motor. And it really, really does make it shine. And the cool thing about it is if you look at the 2 highlights right here, how close and perfected he got that paint. The reason why I say that, the factory paint for this truck, it took them 6 times back at the paint shop to get the hue and color right with the metallic and gold in it. So it was a labor of love for sure, but I think what he presented me was just flawless. I couldn't be more happy with it. It just looks fantastic. You know, fully functioning. Looks just like factory. And that's some of the neatest parts about what Advanced does. Another thing is factory fender wells. Look at this. They've been extended and they're theirs obviously, but factory, so you have full coverage, just like you did stock, and then boom, right into these, same way, okay? And that's some of the things I appreciate so greatly about this kit, is because, I mean, it was just done with so much taste and appreciation and attention to detail that it really just makes you super proud to be a part of it. And that body line, I don't know if you saw it, but it carries all the way down, and they did a perfect job matching it. I mean, yeah. So now you kind of see what I've been doing. I've been basically just sitting in the shop and enjoying it. This is not gonna be a long video, but I just kind of wanted to keep you guys involved and understand what's going on, because my work schedule is crazy right now. We've got so much work to do in my real life that because of that, some of the overlanding and some of the Bronco content has had to slow down a little bit, but I'm gonna try, and I've never missed one in 2 years. I've never missed a video in 2 years, every Sunday for 2 years. I'm gonna try to never do that. I'm gonna try to continue doing things. But I just wanted to show you guys kind of the process and where he was at and what was going on. And that, guess what? We're still getting this guy ready. He's not done. He is not done. This guy's not done. There's still 2 huge components that have left to come. And I've got a lot of them in boxes over there. And then some of them I'm still working with the guys at Ursa Minor. There's gonna be an entire top that comes. So we've got lots. On top of that, I have a box. Oh, there's Kong, guys. You see Kong? We've decided to keep Kong. He's staying. There's a lot more adventures that guy's gonna get beat up on, unfortunately. He probably doesn't like me, but he's probably like, I was hoping I'd have a new owner that liked lakes and meadows. But anyway, we've been trying to keep this stuff on track at the same time I'm working, and I'm working 6 days a week, along with doing what I'm doing. You guys have seen the new merch stuff that I've been working on. So while you're watching this video, look below and you'll see the merch store going across. You can click on that and there's more stuff in the store than what YouTube will show you. So one of these hats, check these hats out. These are some of the new camos. You can get this in black, you can get it in red, but there's that. So I've been working on that, and a lot of the merchandise, logistical side of it, trying to get things lined up that when I do have time from work, I can go do things. But what I was gonna tell you is I have a box over there. Now I'm not gonna show you. And the reason why I'm not gonna show you is because it's probably the coolest thing that you've probably ever seen or not seen. And so the next video coming is gonna be that. But what I wanted to do this video is show you guys what he looked like and how well it was done. I have a huge appreciation for people that take that much pride in their work. And I feel like John at Advanced is that person, is the epitome of that person, and Kenny Segura is as well. Now, we'll go ahead and let you see it one more time, but I'm gonna sign off here because unfortunately, like I said, I've got a lot more work to do. Thanks for following me. Thanks for supporting what we do in the Bronco platform. Thank you for always coming back and giving me a thumbs up. That helps. Remember, like I said before, I have merch below. I have a Patreon if you want to help do that and help in a way that's tangible, that I can use on some of the work that I do for this guy, or maybe work 5 days instead of 6 days a week. I don't know. But you guys know I love this, and yes, it's a short video, but and I'm sorry for that. But I need to keep you guys understanding what's going on and that we're still progressing. That being said, give this video a like. If you don't like me, and if you only like the hat and you only like the Bronco, still like the video. The reason being is if we do that, we beat the algorithms of YouTube, and it will force feed you with Bronco content or content similar to this instead of what they think that they should show you. And that's what we want to see. Anyway, thanks for coming back. That's my Bronco. This is my channel. You guys are amazing, and thank you for supporting me. Hey, until next time, be easy, guys.
Been a while since you felt like this. Been a while since you felt like this. Since you felt like